Well, you know, JP is one of our best legal thinkers in the country, and he's right. There is a consequence to. There will be a precedence, and it will be very problematic. But I still think that now, even if Congress is mandated to process this, Congress doesn't have the House doesn't have a choice, and the Senate doesn't have a choice once these impeachment complaints are filed. But I don't think that now is the time to go through that. So, paubayan na muna natin sa ating. Total, as a practical matter, papasok na tayo sa campaign period. Wala ng congressman, wala ng senador dahil nangangampanya na sila. Hindi tayo makakapagbuo ng quorum. And so as a practical matter, the timing is very poor.